single location where you can measure all that. And those are things that indeed we can measure. It's just a question of how much time that we have. But at a high level, what I will say is we are indeed very interested in the mental health component, how our technology can apply to that. We've been working on that for years. And we, in addition to the physiologic measures, have been working on novel ways from taking people's behavior and how they make decisions and inferring lots of information on that. So in fact, the PhD student that we advised on that did very well for herself. She's now a professor here at the University of San Diego. So we're trying to attack it from both behavioral, how people make decisions, as well as the component. So I think you're spot on. More can be done. There are lots of people working on it. You know, all the folks in the psychiatry department at UCSD are very interested in working with wearables and whatnot because of that charge that Tom Menzel put forth, and now we get Google, so he's going to be a part of the implementation himself. Yeah. So absolutely, yeah. So I think psychiatry is going to get turned on its head. That's the bottom line. Yeah. So we're going to go. I'm also a master's student in bioengineering. Regarding your flexible electronics, I see a huge potential application in developing countries because I think that sort of data is really important in preempting any sort of birth complications. But I've wondered if you've kind of considered the sort of infrastructure constraints that there would be and whether you'd be able to address them. Specifically, I was wondering about the cost and how much it costs to manufacture something like the product that you have now, and also in regards to operating in places which are resource constrained and don't have electricity. You know, if you're sending that sort of data, can there be like a breakdown because there's a lack of electricity or things like that? Excellent question. So, absolutely. So in terms of bringing the cost down, that is the main reason that they in Utah did the invention that they did, you know, to build the same capability. I've been interacting with people at the Gates Foundation. We were fortunate to do it. But these guys have spent billions of dollars to optimize it, pull back and connect to the processes. Nothing's ever going to work exactly that. There's going to have to be some changing in terms of how much. But that was the real motivation for Gates, is addressing the issue of trying to bring down the cost. Another excellent point about the issue of low resource setting. The project that we're doing there to address that concern, putting UCSD and University of Florida. There's a guy who's a postdoc here at